name right now. I'm going to be only trading food, which is just great. I have no food currently. I have a sandwich, but we are going to go to the school and get a bunch of apples because they're free. Yay! Let's get free food. Okay. I don't know if anyone's going to be like, this is a bad trade or this is a good trade. But I don't really know. Okay, just take a bunch of teacher's apples. There we go. Okay. So let's I will. Okay, wait. Someone wants food. Okay. I will. Okay. Let's hope. Oh, wait. Are you? Okay. Let's only trade food. A sandwich. Yay. Okay. I have. Yay. Okay. Anyway, so this is a pretty fair trade for both common. I need another sandwich. This is a pretty fair trade. Anyway, confirm. It's Anyway, wait. Okay, let's trade. Ooh, that's gonna be gone from the game. Oh, is he or she going to accept? I will accept. Oh, trading cards I have to offer for food. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, why is she like, hey, sending me another trade? Oh, just to decline. Great. Alfie's in the. I didn't even know Alfie was in the game. If you didn't know, Alfie's my little brother. Hi, Alfie. Alfie. Oh, I didn't even know Alfie was in this game. Wow. Hello, Alfie. Wow. Okay. Oh, by the way, he can't type. That's why he's not typing right now. He just himself. Anyway, so I am just, I do think this server is like a trading server. Well, there's food and pets. What kind of? Yeah, the pets. I like pets. Okay. Alfie? Do you think we should go find another server? Yeah, I think so. Let's go find another server. Okay. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, because I'm enjoying all my time. I didn't save and got it now. If one of those I can remember. Also, if you didn't know, I will be getting Robux in a few weeks, and I'm really happy. It sounds like very like baby for me to be excited about Robux, but okay. Anyway, also, if you want me to do like any other challenges in Adopt Me or any other challenges in any other game, I will do it. I will do it. Okay. Okay, do I still have all the food? No. Wait, it's the same. Okay, sorry, 1 second. So we're in the same server, but let's see if Alfie wants to offer for his birthday. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna vote you sandwich. I don't think Alfie realizes it's me because I have got a different outfit on. It's because I have got a different outfit on and he can't really read that well. so he doesn't know my name. So let's see if he accepts. Okay. Wait, I have an idea. 1 second. So what I should do is that I should press confirm, and then I should go up to him and say, "Hey, Alfie," and then he's gonna go into my room and say, "Wait, someone knows my name in this game in the Adopt Me," and then I'm gonna change my outfit and be like, "Oh my god, really?" Okay. Anyway, sorry. So let's. Oh my words are twisting up. I could just drain all my money by a bunch of cracked eggs. I mean, should I? Should I? Should I? I might. Might. Should I? I, I should. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I do not care. I do not care. Wait. Okay, let's just. Oh my god, this is gonna be a terrible mistake. But pets claw, right? Ah, ah! Oh my goodness. This is sad. This is like really, really sad. Okay. This is. I thought. This is no, not good. I don't. No, this is not good. No, this is not good. No. I mean, the chances of me getting a unicorn out of this are literally literally 1.5. Like, but I remember once me and my brother had to cracked eggs, and we got a unicorn pretty easy. But yeah, it's probably not. Okay, let's see if they will offer please cracked egg again, so I can get another cracked egg. Okay, so my brother does not know it is me right now. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Ba-ba-dum, ba-da-bum. Okay, so I tricked Alfie. I don't know if he's going now. Okay. He might be coming in my room, but I feel like someone knows my name. Yay! Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving. Okay. I don't think he noticed. Well, he knows how to spell his own name, and he knows how to keep his own name. So. But maybe he'd just be like, I don't know. Anyway, let's just try and hack these eggs. This isn't me like only doing food for a YouTube video, is it? No. Okay, I don't know what to entitle this video because it's not really what I was meaning to do with this. But it's fine. After I hatch one egg, I'll probably stop recording because I need to go to sleep. I'm tired. Even though it's only 7 o'clock, I am tired because I woke up pretty early. Okay. Also, if you're wondering what my dream pet is, it's either a parrot, kangaroo, unicorn, or neon turtle. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh my goodness. Lucky, oh my goodness. You know, I actually read. No, I actually saw in I actually saw. Wait, what was I going to say? Anyway, wait. No, I actually watched the video and they said if someone in the server hatches a legendary, your next pet will be a legendary if you hatch it out. But and they tried it and it worked, so but I don't know if it's anything. But Megan plays it and she would die. So I know, but the internet is full of lies sometimes. Okay. Okay. I'm going to get that pterodactyl. It's gonna be out of game soon. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Yes, sure. Chips, savory, salty, and if it doesn't like. Oh, sorry. I just was jamming out to some music in the background, which you cannot hear because I think computer audio or yay. I don't know why I did that. No idea. Anyway. Okay. Anyway, let's just reset so I can get back to my house faster. There we go. Yay. Oh. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So, also, do you like this outfit? Well, I already showed it in a video, but I don't know. Do you like it? I don't know. Oh! No, I'm so. Come on. Okay, there we go. I only need one more task. Okay. Playground. Okay. Let's see we're gonna, I might hatch a dragon. If I hatch a dragon, I'm going to give it to my brother. Or I can trade it for a unicorn. I could, but I don't know either to be nice to my brother or to have my dream. It's a hard decision. Wait. Someone said, but I will scan it. But I will scan it. Okay, I don't know if there's a scam going on. What's this? Oh, Alfie's got a red panda. Cool. Anyway. Come on, let's see what I hatch. Yay. I think it's gonna be a puma, buffalo, a dog. That's my three guesses. Imagine if I get a legendary. If I get a legendary, I'm actually going to do the next videos in webcam. I'll do a face reveal. Well, like in a few weeks because I need a webcam to do a face reveal. Anyway. Come on, let's see what I get. Okay. Let's do. Yes? What did I get? A cat! Okay. Anyway, I'm going to do part 2 of hatching eggs. Bye.